Harley Davidson has unveiled its most affordable motorcycle to date. It is called the X-350, and it has been developed in collaboration with China-based QJ Motors. The design language of the Harley Davidson looks quite modern as compared to some other Harley models. The bike flaunts a sporty appearance, with stunning angular edges flowing neatly into the sleek tail. However, its retro-styled teardrop-shaped tank is the real eye-catcher. It also sports LED lights all around and a single-pod instrument cluster. However, it misses out on Bluetooth connectivity. Harley Davidson says that the design of the X-350 is inspired by American flat trackers. To be more precise, the Harley Davidson XR750. Powering the X350 is a liquid-cooled 353cc parallel twin engine that generates 36 horsepower and 31 Nm of torque, paired to a 6-speed gearbox. This is the same engine that is doing duty on the QJ Motors SRK 350. In China, the X350 is being offered in 3 color options. There is Joyful Orange, Shining Silver, and Shadow Black. Harley Davidson is expected to bring the X350 to the USA as well. It could compete with the Royal Enfield Meteor 350.